You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Australian racing driver in Formula 1 for Alpine. Yes, if you want to learn more names from Formula 1, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you, including Alpine and more. And anyway, Jack Doohan, I know his surname is spelled like Doohan or Doohan, but in fact you do not pronounce the H and you pronounce the AN at the end, not like an, but like un. So Jack Doohan. It's easy once you know Jack Doohan, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.